During the hearing on Monday in the case of GST officials recording statements after office hours, the Jharkhand High Court said that GST officials should not force or pressurize any person to give a statement after office hours. The court also directed them to call a person for questioning only following the instructions of the GST Commissioner and under provisions contained in the law. The bench of High Court's acting Chief Justice S. Chandrasekhar and Justice Navneet Kumar emphasized that under the GST rules, the competent officer should not force any person to give a statement after office hours. Let us tell you, GST officials had called the petitioner, a resident of Jamshedpur, to record the statement. He had also been interrogated once, which took a lot of time. According to the petitioner, he was interrogated till late night and was called for questioning again. After this, he filed a petition in the High Court demanding that he be called for questioning only during office hours. Tata Consultancy Services, India's leading IT company, has incurred significant financial repercussions following a ruling by an American court. The United States District Court of Northern Texas has imposed a fine totaling $194 million on TCS for the alleged misuse of trade secrets belonging to American IT service firm DXC. This includes compensatory damages of $56 million and exemplary damages of $112 million as disclosed by TCS to the stock markets. TCS maintains that it has strong grounds to contest the court's decision and intends to file a review petition in the higher courts of the United States. The company received the court's order on June 14 and is preparing to challenge through legal recourse. Private nursing college operators in Madhya Pradesh have encountered a significant setback following Supreme Court's dismissal of a petition concerning a notorious nursing college fraud case. Supreme Court rejected the petition filed by 169 private nursing colleges challenging a High Court directive. This decision paves the way for a renewed CBI inquiry into these institutions. Post the COVID-19 pandemic, a surge of private nursing colleges emerged in Madhya Pradesh, many of which obtained official recognition. However, concerns regarding educational standards prompted Madhya Pradesh High Court to initiate a CBI inquiry. Amid allegations of malpractice during the investigation, the High Court subsequently ordered a reinvestigation with added measure of videography. During this reinvestigation, a CBI officer in Bhopal was apprehended for accepting bribes from college operators who had been deemed eligible in the initial CBI probe. These operators contested the High Court's decision to reopen the CBI inquiry in the Supreme Court. Nonetheless, the Supreme Court dismissed their petition. The outcome underscores ongoing challenges in the oversight and regulation of private educational institutions in Madhya Pradesh, emphasizing the need for stringent measures to uphold educational integrity and accountability. Former Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa appeared before the CID on Monday for questioning in connection with the POCSO case filed against him. He vehemently denied the allegations, dismissing the case as a conspiracy against him. Prior to his CID appearance, Yediyurappa had vowed to take action against those he believes are behind the alleged conspiracy. The Karnataka High Court had issued an interim order on Friday instructing the CID not to arrest Yediyurappa until June 17 in relation to the POCSO case. The controversy stems from a complaint by a 54-year-old woman who alleged that Yediyurappa sexually assaulted her 17-year-old daughter during a meeting at his residence in Dollars Colony on February 2nd. Calcutta High Court has instructed West Bengal government to implement a 1% reservation for transgender individuals in all state government jobs. The court noted that while the government has adopted a policy of equal treatment in employment for transgender persons, specific reservation provisions had not yet been established. This directive came in response to a petition filed by a transgender individual who had cleared the teacher eligibility test in both 2014 and 2022 but was not invited for counseling or an interview. In its order, the High Court referenced a 2014 Supreme Court ruling that recognized transgender as a third gender for the protection of their rights under Part 3 of Constitution, alongside male and female categories. Justice Rajashekar Mantha directed the Chief Secretary of West Bengal to ensure the implementation of this reservation policy without delay.